What's going on, everybody? In today's video I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to change the dash on your C7 Corvette. I believe the years were 2014 to 2019. So I'm going to show you how to change the dash. And if you can see up front, maybe you can see it, there's a heads up display. Probably not, but I'm going to show you how to change that as well. First thing we want to do is we want to hit the select button here in the middle, and then we want to move over to the left, which is the left arrow, and it's going to bring up some options. The first option is performance. We'll get back to that later. Audio, phone, navigation, and options. Go back to the select where you in options, hit select, and then you want to move over to the right arrow. As you can see right now, this is the sports mode readings. Right there you have a display theme, you have sports mode, tour, and track. So we're going to go with tour so I can show you how that look. Select tour, and as you can see, the speedometer has changed to the tour mode. Go back. Let's go back to the right arrow, and we're going to go back to sports so you can see how that look again. There's your sports mode speedometer. Hit the right arrow again, go up to track, hit select, and there's your track mode speedometer. Now you can mix these speedometers up. As you can see right there, it has, you can change you can put miles per hour, and it gives you some information about the sports mode. You can select your heads up display to display there, but there's no need for that because you have a heads up display in the windshield. You probably can't see it right now, but it's there, and that just gives you different options. So let's go back to our left arrow to bring back up the options, and we're going to go back up to performance. Now you can change options to display on your track mode. It tells you the temperature of your tires, wheel slip information, tires temp. It gives you a horsepower reading, trans fluid temp, battery voltage, oil pressure, oil temperature, coolant, performance timer. It tells you how fast you can accelerate from 0 to 60. It will give you in seconds how fast you was able to get to 0 to 60. So forth and so on. Now, if you want to change the display or your heads up display, you will go to the info button. I wish you guys could see it, but it's there. And you could just hit the info button and it will change from sports, track, the three modes that were available as previously stated: sports, track, and what was the last one? It was sports, track. Let's go back there. I can tell you exactly what it is. Let's go back, and I'll keep this here. Hopefully you can see the heads up. But it was sports, track, and tour. I like to have mine set on sports and the heads up. There's no need to have it down here if you have it in the heads up. So I keep the heads up display on sports, and on track, sorry. I keep the heads up display on track, and I will usually select sport or tour for my speedometer display. And then you can change it out, change your options, customize it to your likings. So if I go back and I pick sports, I may just want to have a dial, a speedometer dial there, instead of the oil pressure, oil temperature. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll talk to you soon.